njokerie Dr. Philip Gago. Mnakumbuka ule msichana tulichukua hapa, ule wa kutoka Siaya? Ngai ni aramuteithirie na aragĩa kana, na Dr. Philip ni arutĩte wĩra mũnene mũno gũtigĩrĩra kairĩtu kau nĩ kagĩa mwana, na mwana ũcio aratuirwo marĩtwa merĩ. Mwana ũcio aratuirwo rĩmwe rĩa Joy, Reverend Joy, my wife, na mũtumia ũrĩa ũraikara na kairĩtu kau ako wapi? Anakaanga hapa. Aikaraga. Etagwo? Musia na Musiaire. Na sasa hako kasichana kalipewa huyo mtoto na nikamefurahi. Kurori alienda kukatembelea na thegio Kurori ya father of the newborns. Wewe thia gasi yaro. Ndio kwenda kuneana gakuga ku brother. Hiyo na hata wewe fanya mpango. Nikakurihira jumuiya. And Dr. Philip nigwenda utwarire the CEO of Jumuiya Hospital, umutwarire ngatho citu. Nituwe Jumuiya despite gukorwo thibitari itu tondu ni ya urumwe wa makanitha NCCK uthiumere from JCM nitucokagia ngatho ni uria mucokaga mukoya andu aitu. Na ni moe in the medical camp cases iria serious tutirekaga cithie, na Dr. Philip kana karamuonire kena murimu wa ngoro ni karoirwo ni Jumuiya Hospital, na kana kau nako gegutigirirwo ni kahona karia muonire mamu wao akirira akingeithia medical camp ini kahi kau ni turakoire na ni geguthondekwo na tugutigirira kana kau ni gatura muoyo thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu. So Philip, may God bless you ni tondu oria uhandraga andu aria maumite JCM na mena thina. Utware ndumiriri yakwa kuri CEO na kuri board ya Jumuiya Hospital, and as JCM nituguthi na mbere kumu support tondu ni nywe muratuteithia uria tukuhingura thibitari ino. This hospital is being guided by Jumuiya Hospital na nio mekumirana nginya tumenye kumirana thiini wa ritwa ria Jesu. Si mwapigie makofi mazuri. Thank you so much. Allow me to pass those thanks ni tondu nego igwade mokenu ida riri. Allow me to welcome Reverend Joy nigetha acokie ngatho ni tondu wa the medical camp na also ni tondu wa the teenagers camp tondu nwe uramenyitirire itarikuo. I just came here gika opener gicoka ndiroka kumehinga ona muno tioke ati acokie ngatho ni muone uria ehumbite.
My bishops, Bishop Ben Kamau and Bishop Kimani, Reverend Faith, Pastor Frank, Evangelist Gatudu, Chairman, the board of the church, all protocols observed, Nashirika JCM, Madhani Agosho Rege, Agenito, Hamarita Titawa Reverend Joy, Lugata Kanidhoyo. Wabere ni gushokeria Ngai ni gutuhe muthenya mwega. Muthenya wa 8th of August, that was last Friday. Nitwari na medical camp ito, which was very successful, and aria matigire namba kana contacts yao, I'm sure most of them have been called because we always do a checkup on how you're progressing na ogorohe kindu kingi urabatara, especially thiini wa maundu megie dawa, medications. So I wish you quick recovery and God bless you. Kanitha witu ndenda kumucokeria ngatho mwena wa atumia ni mwanyiteire na njira nene muno matongoretio ni Mount Tosha na Mathe wa Kitchen. I also want to thank the JCM medical health team. Diramona Logamai, please, if you are part of us, JCM medical health team. Thank you so much. God bless you. Nitwageire na mucemanio na maundu maria mothe twaririirie, they were met, and the day was a success because of you guys. Thank you for helping us, and God continue blessing you, and we will partner in more projects to come. Ndenda gucokeria our investors gatho matongoretio ni Brothers of Compassion. Thank you so much for always being with Sympathy Hands Foundation. We appreciate you and we love you and we give you a lot of respect. Ndenda gucokeria athuri akaritho gatho matongoretio ni Mr. Charles tondu ni matugurire ngunia ya mucere. Thank you so much. God bless you and your team, Mr. Charles. To the youth, I saw you present. Na most of the medical council tomagira youthi haria methaini itu ya registration. So I felt your presence that day. God bless you so much. The office of the bishop and the office of the reverend, we appreciate you and we acknowledge you. God bless you so much. Ndenda gucokeria ciari aria othe maneanire ciana ciao wiki ino moke conference ya teenagers. It was very successful. Na ciana icio ni ciabundithirio. Besides kuheo irio cia kiroho, nitwari na Dr. Pauline akoragwo e psychiatrist, ni amabundithirie uhoro wa mental health. Also ni twari na counselor okite, her name is Grace. Also ni twari na pastor witu wa Korea na Korea Muranga na Nyahururu, and also Pastor Melvin Lekasi. They were together with us. They ministered to our kids that day, and also want to thank the team. The praise and worship team, the band, and also led by Minister Jacinta. You did a lovely job. God continue blessing you. Thank you.